Hi, in this video, let's see how Zoho helps you organize and plan your day clearly and efficiently. Let's dive in. Imagine it's Monday. You open the extended calendar view, tap on the date, and begin planning. Now, tap on Today and create a task like send the client proposal. Set a due date for today. Add a reminder for 4 p.m. In the description, write what's needed. Under Notes, add last week's client feedback so everything's in one place. You can even associate the task with the client so everything stays connected. No need to dig around later. When it's time, Zoho reminds you. You open the notification, finish the task, and tick it off. Done and dusted. Now, notice a few tasks marked in red. Those are overdue tasks, things you missed earlier. Zoho keeps them visible so you can quickly reschedule or complete them without losing track. That's it. With tasks, you stay on top of your day, so it isn't just busy, it's organized.